welcome. Today I'm going to be chalking this cute little modern onesie. So I'm going to warm it up and I'm going to put parchment paper on top. This allows me to heat up the onesie, open up the fibers, and get it ready for ink. And I'm going to be using this adorable screen print, I Love You to the Moon and Back. The great thing about this screen print is that it brings all these other little pieces so that you can decorate it your way, because you can use it however you want. I plan to use all these little pieces today, so give me a chance to cut it all out, because I'm going to use everything that's on this screen. Our screen prints are very sticky in the back so that they hold well when we are chalking. Chalking just means putting our inks onto the screen. I'm going to show you now the back of this screen, and you'll see it's very shiny, which the reason for that is because it's very sticky, as you can see. Now this board that I'm going to cut it to size. I love our boards because they allow us to cut whatever sizes we want. They are big. So why am I cutting this board? What is this board for? It is also sticky, and I will be placing it inside the t-shirt so that the ink doesn't go over or cross over or leak over to the other side of my onesie. The other thing that it does is that it holds the fabric in place so that way when I'm chalking, my t-shirt does not move and does not stretch. So now I'm ready to put this screen print, which usually I put 2 fingers away from the neckline on a baby. I'm using my squeegee to hold it down, to really press it down onto the onesie. So now I'm getting ready to start chalking. So I'm going to open up my ink and I am going to whip it a little bit. We want it to be the consistency of yogurt. And I'm just going to not waste a drop, because the good thing about our inks is that we don't lose a drop of it. Whatever is left over goes right back into our jars. And I will be using those 3 colors that you just saw. So I am putting our bright white right now all over this screen. And as you can see, it is very thick, but I'm not going to waste that. I'm going to pick it all up and put it right back into my jar, because nothing is ever wasted with our inks or our paste. Ready to reveal it. Oh, and I love that. It looks so cute. Don't you just love it? So I'm going to remove my sticky because I want to blow dry this now. So that mat that I put in between, I will remove and I will blow dry this. Now I'm using a jeweler's blow dryer. You don't have to. You can use your hair dryer. I'm going to be placing all these little stars and moons and rocket. So I will put a parchment paper in between and then put this. And then put these little things that we're going to be putting. I'm going to be using a creamy color, which we will post if you guys want these colors mixed with my bright white. And I'm going to be putting a color that's called Storm, mixing all 3. and then I'm gonna put my little rocket. Okay, and on my little rocket, I'm going to be using a silver color. Our silver color is so amazing. It looks almost like a soft metal. I'm gonna be mixing it with our bright white. And isn't that just so cute? I really think that we need some red fire on that, but first I'm gonna give it a quick blow dry. Let's use the red. I'm gonna be mixing a red color with an orange color because we're gonna be adding fire to this piece. I thought it needed a little color, don't you? So let's see how this comes out. I put my red, I put a little bit of the orange, and oh my god, it just looks so cute. Let's put the stars. I'm gonna be putting silver stars everywhere on this onesie. You know the great thing about our ink? It is permanent. So once we are done, we will iron it again to make sure that all the ink stays permanent. Yes, you can wash it and it's not going anywhere. I'm gonna add more stars. I really want this to be really, really fun. What do you guys think so far? Oh my god, it's coming out so great. I love it. Look at it. Isn't that just cool? So let me pull up my parchment paper a little higher. I'm gonna break it in half. I'm gonna stuff it back in there. Put the other part on top so that I can iron it all down so that it becomes permanent. Now again, I am using my Cricut iron. You guys can use a regular house iron. Just put it on the number 4. And there it is. It's done. It's so cute. I love it. What do you guys think? Let me know. It came out great, didn't it? Thanks for watching.